Hey guys, what's good? I'm Praveen. This is Mehak from BodyProCoach Fitness.
And we are super excited to announce our collaboration with one of the most trusted brands, that's Nutriup.
We have got some amazing vitamins and energy drink to really support your overall performance when you're working out, but at the same time for the best recovery of yours.
Okay, let's open the hamper and let's see what we got in it.
Yes, really excited about it. Let's go.
Thank you, Nutriup.
So you can really check out their website that's called as Nutriup.in, and they have got amazing stuff.
Okay, here we have the first one, that's a sleep ease capsule that's loaded with melatonin. That means it's going to give you amazing sleep at night.
What exactly they focus is that the melatonin focus on improving the quality of sleep, which means that that's going to release some great hormones, overall focus on your great recovery, which means eventually you're going to have lean muscle mass building formulas.
This is one of my favorite, that is Curcu Plus. That is curcumin capsule, which is again really helpful to reduce inflammation.
Alright, so we've got the vitamin C also here, which is great for your complete recovery, at the same time to improve your immune system.
Also, they have amazing flavors, that's lime and that's orange here.
So you really check out the website, it's amazing. We use it on a regular basis and been using it from last few months, and great products, and really stay committed to what they say on the products as far as the quality concerned, and great people when it comes to working with them concerned as well. So we highly recommend these products. Check it out on their website, which is www.nutriup.in.
Lastly, I would also like to say they have one of the finest products and they are 100% vegetarian.
Please use our code, that's BPC, to get the best discounts from us.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you around.